Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yep, here we go again. It's almost launching time and the boat is not nearly ready for launching. There is 4 weeks until launch. I've already booked a crane, so yeah, it's time to get it ready. The soft top is about ready for the first pre-mount. The exhaust is ready for mount. The aft cabin is about finished. There's just some plywood boards that's gonna be just thrown in underneath the mattresses. And I'm gonna change all the through hulls. Basically every through hole is gonna be glassed in and new holes gonna be opened above the waterline, except for the intake for the engine's cooling water. That's the only hole in the boat that's gonna be under the waterline. And yeah, as I said, it's almost launching time and I've already started to prepare for the next off-season. Hector is turning 6 in August and I've promised him that he's gonna get his first own socket wrench kit as a birthday present, and he's gonna need that for this project. I'm on the way right now to pick them up. So let's see you when we started to load this thing. It's about 1.5 to 2 hours drive. So yeah, see you then. Now we are loaded up and let's say the trailer is full. So yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a slow, easy, careful drive back home. And then we're gonna start with the project of loading this off and get it in the workshop. And maybe I will try to get at least one of them running today. So yeah, see you back home. So now we are back home. I bought 2 Mercedes 616 engines and hopefully at least one of them works. So next is to have them started up, and after that tear one down and do a full restoration. You know, change all the bearings, all the seals, all the gaskets, and yeah, total overhaul. And then it's going in the boat. And that we're gonna do next off-season. So now it's just time to get them in the workshop and try to start them up. I don't think we're gonna do that in this video because then it's gonna be too long. But at least now you know what I bought. So now it's just to check the numbers, get online, start ordering parts. And then we are ready to make an overhaul on these engines. Boat season is about to start. I have 4 weeks until launching. So I really need to get the boat ready for launch because I've already booked the crane and everything. So yeah, I'm in quite a hurry. So that's why I haven't posted any video for a couple of weeks, because I haven't had the time to edit it. But it's coming. The boat is starting to come together. The aft cabin is done. The soft top has one more piece that's gonna be sewn together. Then we're gonna mount it on. And then after that we're gonna trim the edges and put one more zippers and stuff like that. And when that's done, I'm gonna put in the exhaust manifold. That one is ready for mounting. Then I'm gonna do valve adjustment, change some of the fuel pipes and change the through hulls. Put new anti-foul on, and then it's ready to get in the water. And as you saw in this video, I think somewhere around here, we have finally moved back to our old marina, our favorite marina. I was real lucky to get a new spot, so I'm real happy with that. So yeah, Sandra's gonna be real happy about this, I think. Yeah, she always like when I go and buy stuff, especially old crap, as she said. So now I have 1, 2, and in there I have one more engine. So yeah, it's piling up. Yeah, but in the end this is gonna be great because, as you can see, let's see. Yeah, that's the gearbox. So the engine is basically my forearm long and the same height. So let's go and compare with the engine that's original. Yeah, about the same height, but it's about a third of the length, and they have the same power. So about this one is 115 horsepower. That Mercedes is 91, but since it's turbo diesel, it's quite easy to just make a little turn on the turbo and you have the same power. That big engine weighs about 700 kilos. These Mercedes engines, you can basically, if you are two people, you'll lift this one, so maybe 100, 150 something. I don't really know, but it's, yeah, I'm gonna save about half a ton. I'm real happy to find this one. I found this behind a barn. So yeah, it's basically a barn find. So yeah, so here they are. One engine there, one big one over there, it's a Perkins, and another Mercedes 616. So yeah, that's my engines. Yeah, so now it's time to get back inside and get this freaking soft top finished. There it is. And as usual, total chaos. So let's close that. Now it's time to get some food. I hear the kids are playing around inside, and Sandra was on wine tasting yesterday, so she's feeling all right today. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna get her help and sew on the last piece on the soft top today, and next weekend we're gonna fit it, and hopefully in some of the evenings with this week I'm gonna start cutting away the through holes, prepare that for glassing, and do the valve timing adjustment, and let's hope for a problem-free boat season. See you next time. And yeah, if you know the part numbers, some links to maybe Autodoc, and so I can get kits with one kit with all the seals, one kit with all the bearings, one kit with the piston rings, and so on. Leave a comment below, and that will help me a lot. It will save me many hours of just searching and stuff like that. So if you know, leave a comment below, and I will be grateful about that. If you already haven't, subscribe to the channel, and if you want, there are a couple of support links down below. There is a PayPal account, there are a Patreon account, and there is also an Amazon wish list. You just click on the link, add stuff to your basket, and order it the same as you should order something for yourself. But the stuff will end up in my place instead. And that will just get these projects done a bit faster. So yeah, like and subscribe. See you next time.